Allah tells us in the Qur'an, in Surah 2, Ayah 2, the English translation of which reads, "This is the book about which there is no doubt, a guidance for those who are conscious of God, those who are conscious of Allah." Before I embraced Islam, which was a very long time ago, I was given an English translation of the Quran. And when I opened it and I read it for the very first time, immediately what I realized is that the Quran was just that. It was, it is, and it always will be a book of guidance. The book of guidance. Because what I realized was that any page that I would go to, doesn't matter what page, any page I would open it up to, somewhere on that page was some teaching or some principle that had benefit for human beings, that if understood correctly and if implemented, could have some kind of benefit for human beings. So what I did was, I put this phenomenon to the test. And back then, even before accepting Islam, I would open it just randomly to any page. And indeed, every single time I did that, I found somewhere on that page something of guidance.